Here is Rise and Shine Farms mobile chicken coop. It holds about 36 hens at the moment with 4 nesting boxes. Nesting boxes are located here and here. During the daytime, I have these boxes closed off to give the chickens their privacy. My original design had the nesting boxes located up here for easy egg access. However, the chickens, being chickens, wanted to roost in the nesting boxes because they are the highest points in the coop. You can see the roosting bars that go across the entire chicken coop. Most of the hens came from a place where they didn't roost very often, so they're still getting used to the aspect of roosting, but for the most part they sleep here all night long. This coop is set up to be mobile, so about every week or so latch ropes to the bottom and drag it about 10 feet. That way all their manure will help and fertilize the grass. The chickens and roosters have total free range out here with plenty of coverage in case of any aerial predators. They have 2 barn areas where their food is hanging. However, they've only eaten about half the food I expected because they spent so much time free ranging and digging around for bugs and eating grass.